Hello, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Selamat datang apa kabar semua. Today I'm going to making reaction on Nissa Sabyan Labbaik Allahumma Labbaik, because this is also Nissa Sabyan, because this Sholawat Labbaik Allahumma Labbaik innal hamda wan ni'matana Labbaik la syarika laka Labbaik. This Sholawat, Muslim Islamic salawat, the birds also singing around the Kaba and Turkey, one of mosque. So guys, let's see how bird also moving around the Kaba, and see guys.
Maşallah, maşallah.
Wow, this is nice. Labbaik la syarika laka.
Dulu kau pernah bermimpi temuinya di tanah suci. Kini kau kan pergi tunaikan panggilan ilahi. Datang dan katakan padanya di sana.
Labbaik
परिंदे तवाफ कर रहे हैं,
Labbaik
कोई नहीं है तो परिंदे तवाफ कर रहे हैं।
innal hamda wan ni'matana.
वो आज
Labbaik Allahumma Labbaik.
Bermimpi temuinya di tanah suci. Kini kau kan pergi tunaikan panggilan ilahi. Datang dan katakan padanya di sana. Di sana. Labbaik Allahumma Labbaik, Labbaik la syarika laka Labbaik, innal hamda wa ni'matana wal mulka la syarika lak.
Labbaik Allahumma Labbaik,
Labbaik la syarika laka Labbaik, innal hamda wa ni'matana wal mulka la syarika lak. Pergilah dengan hatimu, pergilah
Allahumma Labbaik.
tunaikan perintahnya, Allah akan menjagamu. Labbaik Allahumma Labbaik, Labbaik la syarika laka Labbaik, innal hamda wa ni'matana wal mulka la syarika lak. Labbaik Allahumma Labbaik, Labbaik la syarika laka Labbaik, innal hamda wa ni'matana wal mulka la syarika lak. Labbaik Allahumma Labbaik, Labbaik la syarika laka Labbaik, innal hamda wa ni'matana wal mulka la syarika lak.
MashaAllah. Guys, see Nissa and music. The birds also singing around the Kaba, holy Kaba, and another videos was the around the. This is one of the mosque from Turkey. Birds around moving mosque, and the other one the Kaba, holy Kabas. The birds around. The saying Labbaik Allahumma Labbaik. Labbaik la sharika laka labbaik, because there are no more peoples don't going there, because the government they stopped the going to peoples to perform umrah. The reasons coronavirus epidemic is spreading worldwide. That's why to protect people, to save so the peoples, that's why so the government stop the performing horse. That's why the may Allah send the declare to the some bars to doing tawaf around the holy Kaba and saying Labbaik Allahumma Labbaik. Allah is great, Allah is great, Allah is great. He's Almighty Allah. He said the bars to moving and saying Labbaik Allahumma Labbaik Labbaik Allah. Allah bless us, Allah save us all, or save us this epidemic coronavirus, and save all Indonesian peoples also, and Bangladesh also, all Muslims, so all people saves from this epidemic. Allah forgive us, forgive our sins. We do if in our first life we did any mistakes, please forgive us, forgive us. May Allah bless us, and may Allah bless us. Thanks for Nissa Band to singing this Sholawat. This is very nice. I enjoyed a lot, and all of Indonesian people with my channels. I try to upload Indonesian related videos. That's why you can enjoy my channel latest update videos from Indonesia. So no more today. See you next video, and I'll next time I'll try to one salawat. This is also Nissa and also covered this salawat. This is Rabbi halaktoha min nur, fihi tiram Rabbi halaktoha min nur, fihi tiram nadahu akbil ya muqtar, antalamin Rabbi halaktoha min nur, fihi tiram nadahu akbil ya muqtar, antalamin. That's later I read it, and I try to singing this music, and I upload just right for me. I just now pick